Call me today to ensure the best help for all your real estate needs and questions. Great home for starting out or downsizing. Great flowing floor plan. Vaulted ceiling in the living room and trade ceiling in the master.Enjoy. The plentiful counter space in the eat-in kitchen, matched with tons of cabinet space. Also has a formal dining room for the family meals, and a small dining nook off of the kitchen. New engineered hardwood floors throughout the home. Located on a dead-end street in a kid-friendly neighborhood. Highly desirable location. This beautiful home is just minutes from Katy Trail and Skyline School. Beautiful landscaping with mature trees and large yard with a fire pit and room to enjoy the outdoors. Lawn irrigation system was just checked and cleared May 2020. Seller has ensured efficiency by adding 22 inches of insulation in attic, including vaulted portion. Interior has recently been painted by professionals, and it shows. Average utilities 100.